actually significantly darker than you would think they are.
It's like the skin color makes everything else think it's white, you know, because you're comparing it to such a dark right near.
Yeah. So if I add these in...
And the thing with teardrops is the teardrops only, the three-dimensional optical illusion is only illustrated if the pigmentation is reflected.
Dualistic, hence the reason they call it a wave-particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. You know, duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuance.
Psychology. We've explored some physics. We've discussed some musical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about the linguistics aspect of mental disorder, which is probably going to be the key highlight of this lecture. Linguistics have many subfields. You have phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, and psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is an intriguing phenomenon because in psycholinguistics, actually, let's bypass psycholinguistics. The philosophical aspect of linguistics is an intriguing phenomenon because it's one of those areas where we explore the arbitrariness of language. What is the relationship between the word or the lexicon